One of the things I was not thrilled about when ordering this flexible light strip was everyone said that the remote was not customizable. It's got buttons 1 through 9, and they have 9 different things on them, but they were kind of cheesy and something that I would never use. But I'm here to tell you that it is customizable. I just got it yesterday. That would be December something. But there was a software or firmware or both update for it, and you can customize it. I'm going to show you how to do it, but to show you that it works, I'm going to turn it on, and that is one of my presets, which is not one of the ones that is shown. Let's do button number 9. I customized it to this cat running. Here's button number 8 to thank my fellow motorists. How about number 7 here? And this one's for me. And I made some custom ones to use in traffic, and I'll show you how those work too. There we go. I made one for each side, asking people if I can get over. And if they do let me over, how about that? Here in this little video, I'm going to show you how to do 2 things. One is to program the remote for buttons 1 through 0. Those are the only buttons you can customize, but I'm totally happy with that. The other is the best way to import a animated GIF file to put in your gallery. So first off, the remote control. I'm going to tap the remote control button. That's the far right one in the middle row. And there you can see are the ones that are in my remote control now. So let's say I want to change something here, okay? Up in the upper right, you see this edit button. I want to tap it. And now you see edit buttons beside each preset here. So Christmas will be over tomorrow, so I'm going to tap that one. And now you can see that I can select something from the gallery, and I can use one of the ones that are preset. I can go to the ones that I've made myself, or I can do text for a custom message that I might use often. And once I do that, that new display will show up for that button. Once you do that, you save the button in the upper right. And I believe the next screen is, look in the bottom left, there is a send button to send that information to your display. Once you do that, your remote control will use the presets that you have made. Okay, now let's go to importing an animated GIF file. Let's go to the gallery, let's do a DIY, and we're going to create a new one. And now you see up at the top, you're probably already familiar with this edit screen and these 2 long bars at the top. Look at the little folder button in the bottom right. The folder button is actually where you go. I'm going to go to the phone album instead of the app gallery. I'm going to go to my phone album, and you'll see some that I made here. Here's one right here. Okay, that's one. And I made it in dimensions 1190 wide by 194 tall. I handmade this GIF. So I pressed done, and you can see all of the different frames of this GIF file are there. This is a very subtle animation here. The letters just kind of wobble and so forth. But anyway, once you do that, you press OK, and now you have a new graphic right there at the bottom. So that's easy to do. I created the GIF. I'm trying to think. I used an Adobe product. I know a lot of people don't have Adobe, but there's a lot of different ways that you can make animated GIF files. The main thing is the dimensions, 1190 by 194 are the ones that I used, and that worked perfectly.